Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you what it's like to be a small car dealer. I bought 3 cars for the price of $950. That's out the door, no floor plan, no buyer fees. Well, one buyer fee, but $950 out the door. That's it, that's all, nothing more, nothing less. So I'm going to go there to the place that they're at right now, get my driver right now, my drivers right now, and we're gonna go get them, we're gonna go drive them. They all drive. One was $200, one was $300, and one was $450. So stay tuned, and if you're watching this, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you have to do to stay tuned in, because I'm gonna be posting way more videos. Alright y'all, so I'm here. We got the keys and we got J Green Auto Wheels on our shirt. You gotta rep your brand no matter what. I don't care what nobody say. So we do got the jump box, because like I said, all of them, they've been sitting for a while. I'm not sure how long, but they are gonna need a jump. I am in an urban area. I sell cars to people that need affordable cars, so I don't sell cars that are like 2020s. Don't expect something with 50,000 miles. If you're looking for something aesthetically pleasing, you're not gonna find that here. Some of the cars do be nice, you know. Some of them are nice for what I pay for them, but I look for something that's just like my area, how people grow up. Mannerable, but sometimes they could be rough around the edges.
What do you mean by that?
So I'm gonna let you guys take a look at the first one. Okay. Alright y'all, so this is a 2012 Ford Focus. I bought this one for $450. It still got the factory rims. It looked nice for $450. Little fender bender right here. Like I said, I mean, if you're looking for a 2020 Lamborghini, oh, I gotta open this up. You're just not gonna find that for $450. Tinted windows. What is this? Space gray, metallic gray. Gray. It's nice. I gotta get the door open though. Let me see. So many keys. Let's see where we at. Probably gotta open it manually. Alright. See, that's not bad, man. That is not bad. Couple little, you know, put a little seat cover. Yeah. Let me get y'all on to the next one. I ain't even gonna jump them yet. Alright, let's get on to the next one. This one is I gotta look at the year. Okay, so this one I bought for $300. And like I said, all of them run and drive. Just letting y'all look at it. It's not bad for the price, like $300. How many people you know out here buying cars for $300? It's like you can't lose. Yeah, this is a 2004 Chrysler 300. Clearly 2004. And the miles aren't even bad on here. It's not bad. It could use a little clean, but I've seen so much worse. Yeah. And then let's go to the last one. Drop top. Little Fendi Bendy. This is a Chrysler Sebring. I gotta look at the year. Yeah, they locked all the doors on here. And the convertible work. And the drop top work. Now this one, let y'all see the whole car. The drop top work on this one. This one was $200, but it's just some top wires. It's clean. Convertible work. 2006 Chrysler. So yeah, I mean, you cannot beat that. $200 for that one. So altogether, $950. That's out the door. I'm talking about out the door. I'm talking about literally like I don't know how else to put it. I don't know how many ways to say it. $950 for 3 cars that run and drive. We about to go to the lot. We about to get these cars down to the lot. Maybe clean them up a little bit more. Let's see about this Ford Focus first. Let's see what this about. I like this one the most, so I want to get this one to the lot first. Oh God. Yep, dead as Fred. Alright, y'all gotta give me a little second. Alright, I just put the jump box on it. Let's see how dead this bad boy really is. Y'all ready? I ain't starting none of these cars up yet, y'all. What I say? Might be a little rough around the edges. But he runs and he drives. I'm here in Ohio. I can show y'all how the auctions are here and everything. I don't buy from auctions. I'll sell to an auction before I buy from an auction. And that's because the prices there are crazy. You got dealers there with their floor plans, and nothing against the floor plan. I personally buy everything in cash. You buying cars for $200, $300, and $400. I mean, you should be able to buy them in cash. I buy cars so cheap that the prices at the car auction, the prices they charge for their fees alone are literally what I pay for cars. So it's like no winning there for me, you know. And you know, I got better chances buying cars how I buy them. I buy cars mostly, you know, trade-ins from bigger dealerships and things like that, you know. I'll get into more where I buy cars from, because I have different sources of where I buy cars from, and I have people that just bring me cars all the time. I'm gonna give y'all a different view of the lower end spectrum of car dealers, because I know a lot of you guys see these aesthetically pleasing car dealers, or they're buying like, you know, more expensive cars and stuff, and it's nothing wrong with that, but I want you guys to see something more realistic, especially for someone who's flipping cars or who just starting out. Because I used to just flip cars, but now I have my own dealership. I've had my dealership for 2 years, and another thing is just me. Other than drivers, I do everything. I don't have anybody extra. I'm everybody in my dealership, so it's really going to show you something very realistic, especially if you're in a more urban area like me, or people who need more affordable cars that don't have really good credit or can't afford to make payments and just need something to get them A to B. And I do provide a lot of people with cars to get A to B, and it's very affordable. I'm talking about great prices. So yeah, just stay tuned. We're about to take these cars. So I got my driver waiting over here, you know, I got my fiance in the car waiting, so I'm about to get them on to the lot. I'm about to get this party started. All right, so we got all 3 cars here. Ford, Chrysler, and another Chrysler. Definitely was a win. Hey, this is what I do though. We're at the lot, and we got more to pick up. About the prices, what am I gonna make? That's the question. On the 2012 Ford Focus, I'm going to make about $19.99, about $2,000. I bought that one for $450. On the 2006 Chrysler Sebring, the convertible, I'm thinking I paid $200. I'll probably put a couple dollars in it. Like, I'm thinking I'll sell that for about $1,200 or $1,300. I'm just gonna say $1,300. I'll probably put realistically $50 or $100 in. I also do some mechanical work myself, but I have a mechanic. What year is that? 2004 Chrysler 300. I bought that for $300. So I'm just gonna say I'm gonna sell that for $1,300. So I'll do the math on that later. Listen, I'm very tired, guys. I've been driving back and forth all day. The cars were in the same city as me, but it was more so on the outskirts, so it was a drive, about 18-minute drive each way, so that adds up. I'm tired. I'm ready to eat. I'ma holler at y'all later. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and like I said, I'll keep the content coming. Y'all just keep tuning in, keep liking. Let's see how far this goes. We got 3 winner chicken dinners.